everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So here it is, the end of the month, the end of June. I have completed my 3 pages that I had set out to do, and I knew that I was going to have a lot left over. So I'm here to show you what I created, and of course there's videos for all of these, but I wanted to show you what I have left over and what I've done a couple things. Well, you'll see. Okay, so this was the first one that I had created. I had used a 12 by 12 pattern paper that was really thin as a border around this one. I'm glad to get them used up. Then this second one is with my niece and her girls, and it is so full of color. Also used a 12 by 12 to put as a border at the top and the bottom. Able to use that washi tape here. And then this is the last one, is where I used all of these wood veneer pieces, these little border, I'm not even sure what you even call them. They are all on. I was able to use the sprays. This is the only one that I did use the sprays on. And I absolutely love this plaid. Once again, I used the 12 by 12 cardstock to put behind. Even though I used to do this all the time back in the day. Remember, I've been scrapping for 23 years. So years ago, I used to always mat my pages on cardstock or pattern paper or something, and I've really gotten away from that, and I really love the framing of it. So I'm going to try to continue this. And then this is where I used the white stickers. This is the only time that I used their alpha, that I was put them on any of these pages. So I cut out the flowers from the pattern paper, looking awesome. So those are the 3 pages that I created. Let me show you the 12 by 12 papers, or some of the other papers I have left. Now, I usually keep everything together with a binder clip, pretty much anyway. I didn't cut into this at all. I have this 12 by 12 paper, as well as the chevron, and then this Alexandra Rinky paper. It is so pretty. I don't know how I'm going to use this. I really wanted to do it justice, so I'm not sure how that's going to go. And then here is, it's a orange 12 by 12 cardstock. So these are the papers that I have left over for 12 by 12, the full sheets. Alright, and then this one, I'm going to turn this one upside down. I'll show you, I didn't touch that at all. I want to say I used part of this, and then I did use part of this plaid, and then the smaller papers, I think I'm going to just throw this one away, but here's a 6 by 6 of some red, and I did use some of this. I'm going to throw this away. I have that. You know what? I think I'm going to throw these away. I wasn't able to use them. I'm going to throw this away as well. Here's a 6 by 6. This beautiful yellow. If I find yellow or orange that I want to keep that's kind of an odd size or kind of small, I go ahead and keep them. But I've had these a while, and I did use up almost all of this, so I don't feel bad throwing this little sliver away. But because they're in triangles, they're hard to use. I'm just going to go ahead and toss them. And then I did use some of the ephemera that came from the Fancy Pants. See, I had the packaging around here somewhere. Yeah, here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in. I'm going to put it in my summer. I have a summer iris container. I'm just going to put that in there. And then I didn't even touch this. I think I'm going to put this in the box of whoever is the winner of this month's you know, from doing the mini kit Monday, I'm going to put that in your box because I don't think I've even opened this. I just don't see myself opening this. So I'm going to go ahead and give this away. I did use quite a few of these chipboard from, they were very summer themed, I guess. I used quite a few of those, but you know what? I think I'm going to throw these away. I'm tired of looking at them, so there they go. Freckle-Fawn. I also had these. This was completely full, so I used 7, 8. So I feel very comfortable with that. I don't think I used any of these. Here, let me look at my pages real quick, which is real surprising because I absolutely love that. Didn't use that at all. This is the Alpha, the white. Oh gosh, it is so hard to see, but I only used it for the one page that I put it on the photo. Now this one, let me show you what I did here. This one, you know, I tell you I like yellow. I decided to look at my dies because I thought that I had a bow die, and I don't mean this kind of bow die. I thought I had something different, and then I found this, and I'm not even sure where I got this, but this has a sympathy. I think it says with sympathy. This is like, you know, it's a die is what this is. And then it has 3 sizes of bows. And I really like this yellow paper, but I really don't want to put that back in. So I just used my die cut. I just die cut these little bows out. So I'm going to put that somewhere. Not sure where I'm going to toss this. And then I have a couple flowers left. And I have a flower bin. I'm going to throw those in with that. I have a couple hearts left. Look, I only have 4 of those left. Yeah, I'm going to throw those away. I know you guys are cringing. I didn't use that, of course. And then these flowers, I didn't really use very many of these. I'm going to throw this away. I want to keep that. You know, it's yellow. But look at all these flowers. I'm just going to go ahead and put that in with my flower bin. Here, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with my flower bin. Let me go get it. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I have a little container in it. I put, you know, labels all around it. So it doesn't matter where I put it in my cabinet, I'll always know that it's for flowers. And I just throw all kinds of flowers in here. If it has to do with, like, here's a tree, it has to do with, to me, that's close enough to being like a flower. So I am just going to put all these flowers in here. They're really pretty. I just don't want to use them right now. So in my stash, this thing used to be full. Let me show you how big it is. It was full to the top. And then I did a couple of pages where I just used the flowers, and it ended up being like 1/4 of the flowers. So I'm trying to build up my stash again. So whenever I am looking at supplies, I'm always looking for flowers so that I can add to my stash. I also have something similar to this for hearts. Yeah, I'm going to throw that in there even. I didn't use that. Oh goodness, let me see what else I got over here. I'm not sure if I had this part of my kit. I think I had this part of the kit. I'm sorry, things kind of got crazy. I don't know if these were part of the kit, but I have butterflies that I have that are in a container similar to this. This says bloom, so it should go in here as well as this flower. So the washi tape, I've got to clean up my scrap table. I'm sure you guys understand. I'm sure nobody else has ever had to deal with a messy scrap table. I've always said that, you know, I can't scrap until the house is clean. I haven't been in here in more than a week, and I didn't realize what a mess I left it. So anyway, so here's the washi tape. I did use some of that. That is a bright yellow. Very, very happy that I was able to use that. So I'm going to put that with my washi. And I think that is it, which is a lot, but oh well. So next month, July is my birthday month. So I may just do a birthday related. I don't know what I'm going to do for my kit for July. I may have to wait and see what the inspiration piece is going to be. So we will see. Thank you guys for joining me this month. I know I have a lot of new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do post two or three times a week. I have recently gone back to school. I am working on my nurse practitioner. I'm doing my best trying to keep up with scrapbooking and my job and school. So far so good. Wish me luck. Things are going really good with school so far, but I just wanted to kind of let you know that if I kind of ghost my channel for a while, usually it's going to be because of school. All right guys, I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.